So what we have here is the iPad dock connector to VGA adapter. And basically what it does is it allows you to hook up your iPad to a normal monitor. So basically the monitor end goes here, that plugs into the 30-port dock connector. So let's see what happens here. So actually we'll plug the monitor in first. This is just a Dell monitor, old one. Not sure too many reasons why you'd want to actually, there we go, so that's plugged in there. Now we'll plug the dock connector into, and by the way, this is an iPad, the new iPad, which is the 3G. Oh, it fell off the stand. Third generation. There we go. So we'll turn this on, and now I've got displays on either. Just unlock it here. There. Okay. So, yeah, like I said, I don't know why you'd really want to do this, since the iPad has a 2048 by 1536 resolution, and typically VGA doesn't give you that high resolution. This is currently running at 1280 by 1024 resolution, this Dell monitor, but it doesn't look too bad actually. So basically it's just mirrored the screen. Haven't played with it too much. I'm basically just using Google Chrome on here. I don't know what else you can really do with it. We'll just go to the home screen. I know it won't allow you to, let's see, where is it? YouTube. It won't, if we were to play a video, it'll say the video is playing on the TV. And it won't display on the other screen. I'll just zoom forward here. Yeah, so at least YouTube, it only plays on the secondary screen. I haven't played with it too much. I don't know how games work. Let's see. Let's try like Angry Birds or something. Alright, so that is mirrored right now. Oh, and it crashed out. So this appears like it's going to work. Yeah, so this works here. Yeah, so it looks like not everything's supported. I don't know what all settings you can, what other settings you have. But, yeah, I mean, you probably only want to use it if you're giving a demonstration or something, since this screen is superior to many that you would actually hook up it as an accessory screen. But, alrighty.